All right, I'm going to tell you how to update your website pages that are going to need updating most immediately, but it's the same for any web page. So let's start with your dashboard, and we went over how to log in your dashboard in a different video. You go into your dashboard, and the two areas that you'll want to be in at all are the media library and the pages. Today we're going to look at the pages. So I click on your pages, and I have all of your pages here. What I usually do, you can look down and find them, and I see that Michelle is currently working in tenants. I'm going to go into buyers and click edit on buyers. Here is the back end of buyers. I always make sure I have the front end of buyers open so I can see my changes. So up here, I have it opened and I can see it says how we work for our buyers, bring excellence, etc. Whoops, I'm going to update that. Now, back into edit, if you need to update, if you need to open that front page, it's right here in the permalink, so you can just cut and paste it in here. That's probably what I did before. So the first section under any of the pages is the SEO section. You don't have to bother with that because we already have. So down here you go to the Divi Builder section, and here you see the back end. You see the buyer's heading, which if you go into the front end, it's this, how we work for our buyers. Back end, we have a porch view, we have a buyer's blurb, we have a divider, and then we have our flat fee chart title, and then all the pieces of that chart. If you go in the front end, you can see all this, the title, then we have the verbiage and the porch view, we have a dividing line, we have the flat fee commission title, and then the chart itself. So back into the back end, let's say you want to change the heading to buyers, to the buyer's piece. You go to the left under module settings, click in there, and it gives you your title. Let's say you want to change it to how we work for our turtles. You change it right there, hit save and edit, and then the most important piece that everyone forgets is that you have to update your page after you update sections. So you can update all the sections you want, but then you have to go in and update your page. That's this blue button to the right, update, you hit update. You can see it working at the top here. You can see the blue ball spinning. Once it's done, that means it's updated. It's done. I can go over to the front side. It says here how we work for our buyers. We're going to update that right there. How we work for our turtles. You just refresh it and that's what it says. Let's go change it back. We go into the back end, back under the Divi Builder, module settings, and buyers. Save and exit, update. We go back into buyers so that I can see what the front end looks like. I refresh it and it is no longer turtles, it is now buyers. So this is true of everything. You're probably going to want to update this section. We bring excellence to the home buying experience. To do that, you go back in to the back end under Divi Builder and go to that buyer's blurb over here. Here's the porch view, so you know that it's right next to the porch view. Go under module settings, click in there. Here's the title, we bring excellence to the home buying experience, and here's the verbiage. You can go ahead and edit that however you would like, and then you hit save and exit. Here's your dividing line. If you were to want to change your porch view, you click here again in module settings, and then you'd find another media image. So you do upload an image, and this is your media library. And we're covering how to load and what sizes you'll need in your media library in a different video. But you would just choose on the one you want, hit set as image, and then it does it. Here I'm going to get out of this since we don't want to change that. I'm going to click out here because we made no updates. So this is true of everything. If you want to go into the fee chart, you can change your section here. Change all these sections. You just go in, module setting, change it, save and exit. I'm just going to click out. And then, of course, you want to update your page. That is how you update each of these pages. I'm going back to the buyers so that you can see, and I just hit date so I can see the most recent. That's how you change investors, tenants, buyers, sellers, all of these pages. These first 5 are ones you'll want to get to pretty quickly, and FAQ as well, I would imagine.